Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to Jasmy Update today. And it's been a consolidating experience for most of you, for most of us as well, because the market has been boring. You've had a bloodbath, and it's stressful, it's boring. I know, even I've been silent for quite some time, but that's how it is. We cannot do anything. It's the market. Let the market do what the market wants to do. You cannot do anything to the market, whether you want to cry, you want to laugh, you want to smile. I would actually say always just have a good time, okay? Crypto is not here to actually make you happy. I mean, it kind of makes you happy when you earn a little bit of money, but most of the time it's going to be boring, okay? So don't rely on crypto. Have a nice good life out there. The thing is that I want to show you is that Jasmy came down and made this falling wedge, and I wanted to buy the falling wedge and kind of ride it all the way up to 0.027. But yes, one thing I hear about Jasmy is that the patterns of Jasmy are the most difficult patterns ever that you can trade. And what I mean to say is that for example, if you had a falling wedge like this, why didn't you go to the target? Why pump halfway there and then come down and then try to pump and then try to make people excited that it's going to go out to the target now, and then you still don't do so, and then you continue sideways? Why all this sideways crap that you show people out there with Jasmy? So that is not good, and this is why I say, whenever I've actually tried to trade Jasmy, I have found its pattern to be the worst. One good pattern that I find out is probably Solana. Solana actually does have some good patterns out there, controlled patterns, but when it comes to Jasmy, it's just way too difficult. And let's see what is going on at the moment. So it has been a downtrend, it has been a bloodbath for quite some time, and I'm going to bring in one trend line here and see if the downtrend is broken. So the downtrend is really not broken just yet, and you can see that there's this upper resistance, and it's almost like as if we're making a channel. So you can even draw this lower support, and we can actually try to recognize where is the next best buying place for Jasmy. Now here it is, right? You are in the middle of the channel right now, okay? And to be honest with you, you can go any direction at the moment, down to the support line, up to the resistance line. You can do whatever you want to do at this point of time. But my personal take is that probably you're going to move up again to that particular area, because you already did come to the downside and you're bouncing back off. So it does look as if the logical thing to do is to move up to the upper resistance, maybe get rejected, go down, or break above the channel and move back up to where the channel came from. And one more thing is I'm trying to check the RSI as well. So the RSI is climbing up. You can see that we have this move to the upside and a sideways movement. So there is a divergence in a positive way, which is a bullish divergence, just a normal bullish divergence at the moment. And that is actually good, because if you have a bullish divergence, what's going to happen next? It's going to actually pump up. And also a squeeze now. So this and that to that. So the maximum time we have to wait for the next move is going to be 25th of February. So 9 days maximum 9 days. Hopefully next week we could actually see a move up. But the thing is, yes, you can actually do something like consolidate a little bit and maybe make a fake out and go up, or just go up and go up, retest, and then go up. Whatever happens will happen, and I'm just giving you a heads up for the movement that's coming up in the future. And that's all for the video on Jasmy. I'm going to see you in the next one. Love is.